So this being the last of our series of workshops, we're entering into the area of Wikidata where we start linking entities together. So when we're describing a production, as you know, if you've been populating this kind of information on a website, a production has many, many contributors, lighting designers, stage designers, and so on. They may have, of course, performing artists. So there are quite a few people that need to be credited. In Wikidata, we will be linking the production item or record to individual records about the performers and the contributors. This requires that these persons already have an item about them in Wikidata. We have been doing our best to try to populate that information in advance of today's session, but chances are, as you are populating information about a production, you may stumble upon items that don't exist. So you may have to create person or organization items to be able to represent your production information. I also wanted to flag that when we are describing the performing arts in Wikidata, it's important to treat the work, be it a dramatic work, a dramatical musical work, and the production as two distinct entities. The reason is that a given work might be the subject of more than one production. A play written by a Canadian playwright could be put to stage by many different performing arts companies. So therefore, we want to have a capacity to be able to track all of the different instances of a production of that play. Therefore, we need two distinct items. There are properties that can be used in Wikidata to connect the production to the work, or else the production to its contributors. And this is what you see on that slide. All of the circles in the figure represent items in Wikidata, whereas the rectangles with things like cast member or director or representation of are properties, relationships between Wikidata items. I will leave it at that and let Miguel take over. I just needed to make sure that you know, if you stumble upon a problem and you're short of an artist item to describe your production, let us know and we'll show you how to do this as well.
Merci, Frédéric. I want to probably emphasize one thing that Frédéric said is about the properties that link items together. This is something that we will use extensively along in the next few minutes, because Wikidata is the triplets as a foundation, so it links items together using properties, and we'll see that right away.